Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're new, please subscribe to the channel and like the videos for more to come. So here I'm at my desk and I'm about to finish setting up the computer, get it to turn on and everything. So yeah, so I just did the open box, okay, where I opened it, but now this is the video where I'm gonna connect everything, plug in everything and turn it on. Okay, so come along. Okay, so here I have the purple one and I'm gonna set it right here. How nice is this? Okay, so here's my desk. Okay, so it's small, I don't have a lot of space, but it fits perfectly well. I don't have to get rid of anything. I can still have my pictures, I can still have my plants right here, and I still have plenty of space to work. Okay, so that's why I'm gonna be editing my videos, and I work from home, so I'll be doing all my work and everything right here. Okay guys, so here let's just get to remove this screen protection. Okay, so that's removed. Here's the screen, here's the color. It's lavender. It's very pretty. It's so nice. Let's see. Okay, remove these, remove all the plastics. I have some up here. Okay, and they have little indications on them, so that way you know where to go. Okay, and here's one last one in the back. Yay! Okay, so here we have it. Oh, okay, so interesting. In the back, it's blue. Okay, I didn't even see that. So, okay, so in the back, it's blue, and then right here is our purple color. It's a more subtle color. I didn't like the orange ones. Again, my son chose, but I didn't like these bright colors. But they had 7 colors that you could choose from, so I'm sure everyone will get a chance to at least choose something that they're really passionate about, that's close to their favorite color. Okay, so I have this, and then now the plugs. We're just gonna unwrap everything. And right here, remove all the plastics, so here, and then this will go in the back. Let me find the place where it goes. Okay, so it's magnetic, it just pulls right in and clips in place. Okay, so on my desk I have a hole, but I guess I'll have to wait until my husband gets home and he can move it for me, and I can slip this right through the hole and have it laid on the ground or on the floor, so that way I can it doesn't have to be here. But for now, I'm not gonna do it myself. Okay, so here we have this. Woo! Okay, so here we have the plug. Just go attach it to right here, and then I'm gonna connect it. That's the radio. Okay, it's on. Okay, so the power on button is right here at the back, so I'm just gonna touch that. Yay, it's coming on. Guys, I'm so excited to start editing my videos, like make them a little bit more nicer and more appealing to watch. Okay, so here it's starting on. So exciting. Now I'm gonna connect the mouse. Okay. So I'm gonna make a few videos on this, on how we chose the computer we chose, the amount of gigabytes, and all that stuff that we got. That's for charging the mouse. Um, oh, I thought it was a C. Oh, okay, so I guess when I'm not using it, I'll just be charging it. But when I'm using it, it cannot be charged. Okay, so no problem. So that's the charger for the mouse. And what else do we need? That's all I got. Oh, okay, I guess it's the charger for the keyboard as well and stuff. Nope. Like this. And then it will just connect to the back. Okay, and they said everything is already has already been configured with the computer, so I don't have to do anything really. Look at this. I love this. I love it. I love it. Oh my god. So this was a huge investment. So please like the videos, subscribe to the channel. We're going to be doing hair videos, raising babies, staying at home, running a small business, and all that stuff. And please subscribe because this was a huge investment, and in part I mainly did it because of my videos. I want a reliable computers to be able to edit and do everything that I need to do because it's so important to me. I really want to do this YouTube, so any brothers and sisters out there who wants to support, please subscribe, please like the videos, please write some awesome positive comments and all that stuff, okay? And I can reciprocate the love and the support as well. And yes, I will. Sub for sub, all that stuff. Is that too much light in here? We can't see. So, it's doing its thing. It's saying hello, hello, hello. Anybody home? Oh, okay. We want English and everything. So I'll just go through and set up everything, and that's gonna be
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Okay. Pair your keyboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I can make either smaller or like shorter footages of what's going on with it, and as I said, I'll make as many videos until I showed everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and pair the keyboard and everything since you guys can't really see my screen. So I'll just stop it here. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Please like the video for more to come. Mwah.